In this video, I will be revealing the exact method that took my Instagram Reels from shit to absolutely printing views using AI. This method is honestly untapped as fuck, and I haven't seen any other content gurus talk about this yet, so prepare for sauce. In fact, most of the content gurus out there will tell you not to use ChatGPT because they just don't know how to use it right, and they probably haven't seen this video that you're watching right now. I even used ChatGPT to script out the entire rest of this video, so that's really all the proof that you need. So, lock the fuck in, pay attention, because I'm about to reveal exactly how to do this in 3 steps. Alright guys, here we are on the computer, and let's get into it. Step 1, finding viral YouTube videos, alright? This is going to be really quick, really easy. This is like the easiest step. Literally just go on YouTube and search up your niche. All right, or find any YouTube video that is viral and related some way, right? So let's say your niche is dropshipping, so you can literally just search up dropshipping, and really like any of these videos will work, right? They all did well. That's pretty much step 1 is done, all right? Step 1 is done. And now we're gonna move on to the next step, okay? The next step is actually generating these ideas using NoteGPT and my custom script bot, okay? So what you're going to do now, all right? You're going to take this video, for example, all right? How dropshipping ruined online shopping. This is kind of like a more entertainment point of view, right? This one is more informational. This one is more like entertainment. So you could get different ideas from these different videos, okay? But let's just try this one, okay? Copy the link address, and then you're gonna go to NoteGPT.io, NoteGPT.io, all right? And then you can sign in. I've already signed in, but just click Get Started Free. And okay, we're gonna sign in now. Like it's making me do this. All right. Whatever, or you can search up NoteGPT YouTube transcript generator. Yeah, just search that up and it will bring you here. All right, so now we're going to paste that Johnson in there. Okay, and now it's going to think for a second. Okay, it's going to think for a second. All right, and then it's going to give you this transcript and a little summary. Okay, blah, 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 blah. All right, so we're going to copy this entire transcript. Okay. And then you're going to go to the second link down in the description. The second link down in the description, and it's going to bring you to my custom script bot. All right? It's going to bring you to my custom script bot. It's going to look like this. Okay? You have to be on the $20 a month plan for ChatGPT for this to work. If you're not paying $20 a month for ChatGPT Pro or Plus or whatever it's called, what the fuck are you doing? All right? You really should be on that plan because, what the fuck are you doing if you're not? Okay? You need to be using ChatGPT. If you're not using ChatGPT in your daily life, you're fucking cooked. Okay? So go click that link. Okay? I don't get any affiliate or anything. If you're free, right? If you're just really just broke and you're having a hard time and you need the free prompt, then I will probably paste the free prompt down below. All right? So if you're on the free version, what you'll need to do is paste that prompt in before you actually give it the transcript, all right? So now we are going to paste in the entire YouTube transcript, all right? Paste it in the entire YouTube transcript, and now it knows exactly what to do, all right? We're gonna scroll down, all right? Scroll down, and are your Amazon slippers actually dropship duds? The rise of what the fuck? Etsy's handmade hoax, dropshipping versus white labeling. All right, so this is definitely not a video that we want to use, okay? Not a video that we want to use because this is totally unrelated and it's basically just like shitting on dropshipping. But you want to teach people dropshipping, okay? So that's not going to work. Let's copy this video instead. Copy link address, go back to NoteGPT, and we are just going to scroll up and replace that. Generate transcript. Going to generate a transcript here. All right, cool. So now, copy that, go to ChatGPT, open up a new script bot chat, paste in the transcript. All right, let's see what it's got for us now. All right, it gave us 10 short-form content ideas, okay? 10 short-form content ideas. The blah, 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 dropshipping simplified, why most people fail, turn $1, AI, 3 steps, toy brand, secret to viral dropshipping products. Okay, you can do, let's see. So now we're gonna ask it what do you think, which idea do you think has the most broad appeal and the most viral potential? Okay, and it thinks number 7 is the most broad viral dropshipping products. Okay, so now we're gonna just type 7. and it's going to script us out an entire idea for 7. Ever wonder how people find those viral dropshipping products that make them thousands of dollars? It's not luck, it's a strategy, and I'm about to show you how to uncover them just using your phone. Picture this: products that sell themselves because they're trending all over TikTok and Instagram, and now imagine you're the person that's selling them. The key isn't some expensive software, it's knowing how to condition your social media feeds to serve you winning product ideas on a silver platter. And guess what? It's insanely easy. Here's how it works. Step number 1, open TikTok or Instagram and head to the Explorer, right? You can see this is like a good hook, and then it does a little comment CTA, right? So you can use ManyChat. So this is a good hook, okay? Or this is a good script. What you can do to take it a step further, okay, is I will link my viral hook library. I'm going to link my viral hook library down in the description below, okay? Probably be like the 3rd link below. And what you can do is open it up, right? So if you open it up, it's probably going to look like, it'll probably look like this on your browser, okay? And then just select all of these hooks, all right? These are real examples of real hooks that have gotten hundreds of thousands or millions of views, okay? So now we're going to go back to the script bot and say, I'm going to give you a list of viral hooks. These are real examples from viral videos on Instagram. I want you to remember these, identify patterns in these successful hooks, and then use the data, use the information to write better hooks. Ready? Okay. And it's like, absolutely. So you paste in the link, the list of viral hooks, right? And it's going to tell you, like, why are these successful, okay? Blah, 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 blah. It's going to go for a bit. It's going to go. And then, all right, this is taking a long time. Callbacks to popular trends, strong contrast. Yeah. I know this already. All right, so rewrite the previous script based on what you identified. All right, so now it has more data to work with, and now it's going to rewrite it. Have you ever wondered how people are finding those viral those viral products that make them thousands of dollars while you're stuck scrolling on TikTok? Let me show you the exact method that they're using without paying for expensive tools. I was in a previous chat with ScriptBot, and it actually gave me a really banger idea before in another chat. It gave me the idea why organic marketing is the secret sauce for dropshipping. That is a good hook on its own, right? So you can ask it, you can be like, you can refresh it and try it a couple different times, like generate 10 more content ideas. One tool from viral video to profitable store, the power of TikTok, SMS marketing, how I found a $200,000 product using Instagram Explorer. Like, you can just change that. Here's how you can find a $200,000 product using Instagram, right? It's a good hook. Why organic marketing is perfect for new dropshippers, right? Let's go 6. All right, so now it's going to write a script. Did you know Instagram can literally hand you winning products to sell? That's how I found a product doing over 200, right? I'll show you how to do it too. Most people waste hours scrolling, but what if your feed could become a gold mine for viral, profitable products? The trick is training the algorithm to show you blah, blah, blah. Here's how you do it. Open Instagram and head to the Explore page, right? I'm like saying this in Toozer voice because Toozer used to do a lot of reels like this. Anyways, when you give it examples of hooks, all right, the more context you give it, okay? The more context and examples you give the bot, the better responses it will have, okay? My custom bot is trained already, so it's like pretty good and pretty trained on how to do these ideas and turn them into full scripts, okay? And then, you can rinse and repeat this. Like if you want to do all of these ideas, like maybe you want to do now like 9, it will continue to, are you wasting money on ads that don't work? Here's why organic marketing is the secret weapon every beginner dropshipper needs. These are fire. These are fire ideas. It writes the whole entire script for you, and you can even like expand more actionable and specific. Are you wasting money on ads that don't work? Here's why organic marketing is the blah, 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 right? And then set up your content strategy. Right? It makes you can it will do anything you ask it to, okay? So you guys need to start using ChatGPT right. That's pretty much the entire tutorial, okay? You can really just generate content ideas out of thin air using this method. No brain power, absolutely OP, okay? And this is how I write, this is how I wrote my last Instagram video, and this is how I even write my YouTube videos, okay? Use ChatGPT. It's not that it's bad, you're just not feeding it enough context and examples, okay? You need to give it context and examples. You can even feed it a script, right? So maybe you transcribe an Instagram reel that you really like and then tell it to script out the reel in the same way, okay? All right, that's pretty much the entire tutorial. I hope this was really valuable for you guys, and I will see you back in the other angle over here. All right, there you go, guys. That is all you need to do, and now you just need to film these scripts and toss it off to an editor to get edited and posted. And if you want to work with me one-on-one so that I can review your scripts, edit your scripts, and place an editor on your team who's going to absolutely crush for your videos, just click the first link in the description down below to apply to work together. That's gonna be all for this video, and make sure you hit that motherfucking subscribe button for more free value. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.